Hey guys, my name is Floyd. I am the producer of the Floyd YouTube channel. Hopefully you all have enjoyed my content over the last year. I just wanted to make this video and talk a little bit about the team behind the team and what goes into making AFXC successful. So a little bit about me. I'm a senior at the Air Force Academy, mechanical engineering major. I would like to be a pilot once I commission as a lieutenant, but what I spend most of my time at the Academy is with the Air Force cross-country team. I started out at the Air Force Academy as a runner on the team, and ran for 2 years, and injuries kind of prevented me from continuing to be on the team, so I decided to come back as a manager and continue to contribute to the team in that way. As a junior, I worked mainly on the logistical side for the team, driving athletes around in buses, picking up meals, that sort of thing. I also paced workouts for Maria Mettler and Michaela Norris, both All-American distance runners. That was a great part of my experience, being able to pace some of the best girls in the NCAA last year. This year I've really transitioned to making media for the team. You've seen all of these YouTube videos. I also do all the media for the Instagram page. So if you see Air Force Cross Country on Instagram, it's pretty much all coming from me. The reason I started these videos was just to show and document the journey of Air Force Cross Country and to show the world really what this team is about and the commitment and work ethic that these guys put into the sport. It's really special to me to be able to show everybody how far this team has come and what they're capable of doing, so I hope these videos are able to show that. A little bit behind the scenes of the videos, I film all of them, usually either on a bike, holding a gimbal, or on the race course, shooting races, but I am able to travel with the team as a manager, so pretty much at all the races and just filming and documenting both for YouTube and for Instagram. I definitely couldn't do this, and the team wouldn't operate without our other support staff, and the rest of the video is going to go over Bench and Rick, our two other main support staff, and they're going to talk a little bit about how they support the team.
Hi, my name is Aric Kedge. I'm assistant coach for the Air Force track cross country team, and I'm a second lieutenant in the U.S. Air Force, a 2021 grad of the Academy. So for the past 4 years, I was a member of the track and cross country teams at Air Force. Really enjoyed my time as a cadet. Graduated and ended up getting a position at the Academy for my first assignment. That's flexible with my time, so after I'm done with my school days, which involve teaching freshman cadets, I come down and help out with the cross-country and track teams, and essentially I'm a volunteer assistant coach, so it's been a really great experience. Yeah, the Air Force cross-country and track program is a really special program. It's a really good thing to be a part of, and I cherish my time, and so I thought, well, if I'm here and I'm really interested in distance running, track and field, and cross-country, it's one of my passions, if not my greatest passion. I want to come back, help Coach Cole and the team be successful, and just kind of see what it takes to be a coach at the collegiate level, and so that experience has been really beneficial for me. Yeah, I had a great time being a cadet and being on the cross-country and track teams, and I think looking back at it, you know, I'm a big believer that intercollegiate athletics, and specifically our program, really prepares you to be an officer in the Air Force and deal with difficult situations and challenges and ups and downs, because life is not going to be easy, and life in the Air Force is a challenge but also comes with some great rewards, and so I think being on the team helps prepare for that lifestyle. And then I think the greatest way to develop leaders of character, as what's the Academy's mission, is through intercollegiate sports, and specifically cross country and track and field, because you learn how to deal with pressure, you learn how to be dedicated to something, you know how to lift people up, just like you would your airmen in the actual Air Force. And so just trying to be a part of that, help facilitate that process to help develop these cadets into future officers and elite distance runners at the same time is a really special thing to be a part of. Yeah, so I wake up, I have an apartment off base, I wake up in the morning, go to first period class. I teach usually 3 classes per day of learning strategies, helping 4th year cadets kind of figure out the academic rigors of USAFA, teach them different methods to study, basically help them find good habits that they can use as a cadet. I've wrapped that up around 2 o'clock. Practice starts at 2:30. I come down and help Coach Cole out with whatever he needs, holding the stopwatch, marking out a course, whatever it may be, just giving advice. I help out with that, and then usually stay into the office around 7:30, 8 o'clock, either doing recruiting, making graphics, whatever it may be, and then repeat it through the next day. And so it's been a really special opportunity to be here and not only just help out at practice, but also get to travel with the team, make sure plans and the trip goes well as a whole. So it's a cool experience.
Hey everybody, my name is Jacob Pitman. I'm a cadet manager on the team for AFXC, also known as Bench. I'm a senior at the Air Force Academy, astronautical engineering major, hoping to go pilot in a couple months. But here I'm just here to tell you a little bit about what I do for the team, what I benefit and how I benefit the program. So firstly, I deal with mostly like logistical matters, kind of helping getting meals and driving around for long runs and stuff, but this is also a great opportunity for me to kind of work on my overall fitness, like getting, whenever I'm not doing anything logistical, getting to run with the guys, getting to compete in races with some of the guys, and also working on pace workouts, primarily for the girls team, sometimes for the younger guys. And yeah, it's a good opportunity for me to give back to the program a little bit and be a part of a great group of guys and getting to experience what it's like to witness and compete at the highest level and contribute in some way to the program. Say like on a reg run day, it's usually, say on Mondays, wake up, we have morning lift at 6 a.m. so I wake up at 5:30, go down there, either get a workout in or usually get a lift in, and then have to go pick up food for the guys, for the track team, lay that all out, and then when they're done, take it all back, throw it away, do whatever, clean up, whatever it takes, like logistically, for providing meals. And then in the afternoon, we have practice again. And for reg run days, normally I have the opportunity to just kind of to go alongside and run, and or like put out cones for RD or some form of post reg run strides. And on a Tuesday on a workout day, it's either I'm pacing for the women, that is basically just wind blocking, wind shielding, or actually like getting in and making sure they run a set prescribed pace for their workouts, or I'm taking splits for the guys and girls and just making sure, again, it's all documented, it's all written down, and going out and measuring cones and getting the correct distance for that.
Hopefully these videos have been able to show y'all what it takes to be an elite distance runner and an elite distance runner at a service academy. I really enjoy being able to do this just because this team is like my second family. I spend all day, every day hanging out with these guys and just being able to show others the commitment and the drive that these guys have is really special to me. So I hope watching these videos is able to show everybody else what AFXC is about and how good that these guys are at running.